You just shot someone in self-defense. Now, realistically, can you afford your legal team? Can you afford to bond out of jail? Can you afford the administration charges? Can you afford everything that goes along with it if you shoot someone legally in self-defense and you legally have your concealed weapons permit? Different states call it different things, but you can legally conceal your gun. I've spoke about CCW Safe in the past. I do it about once a year to keep you guys refreshed on what's going on. Things are not getting any easier or less expensive in the gun industry in case you shoot someone in self-defense. Therefore, it's my obligation to let you know that this is possibly the most important video you've ever watched. And I'm being serious. This could be the most important video you've ever watched. A lot of people have signed up with CCW Safe because this is what you get. You're getting a contract that is going to give you some benefits, which I will explain in this video. For instance, if you legally can conceal your gun, you have to have your license from your state to conceal a gun, and you actually, heaven forbid, have to shoot someone in self-defense, whether it be in your home or wherever, you are covered as long as you are in a state that recognizes your license. So remember that. And that's just normal common sense. You don't go to a state and conceal a gun if your license does not allow it. So if you can legally conceal a gun in a certain state and you shoot someone in self-defense, true self-defense, you're most likely going to get arrested. Most likely. I mean, unless it's so clear, cut and dry, you're most likely going to get arrested. And then they're going to have to figure it out, and then they're going to ask you for who is your attorney. Well, this is what you do. You pull out this card, CCW Safe, a well-established company, and by far the best in the nation. And the reason why I say that, let me jump right to this, because this question always comes up. Well, what about this company? You know, I've had their coverage for years. Or what about this company? All right, what I've done for you is I put a link below for a comparison chart of the top 5 companies in the nation who offer coverage like this. Now, what you can do is go below before you sign up to CCW, because you want this card next to your license to carry. And at least you know you've got a legal team behind you. And I've done other videos on this in the past, so I'll put all those links below also if you want to have even more information. Hear me interview the attorneys with CCW. They got the best attorneys in the nation, bar none. Past tense, proven facts. So, you can look at the link below and see the comparison of other companies that offer this coverage. 1. Number 2, you need the coverage because it's not expensive. First of all, this is what it covers for you. Okay, you shoot someone in self-defense. Let's just say you're getting gas and you're a victim of someone who comes up to you and puts a gun to your head and wants to carjack you. And he's got a gun to your head, your family's in the car, for instance, and what are you going to do? You withdraw your weapon and you defend your life. You might take the other person's life or wound or kill him. In a lot of cases, it's iffy. That you're going to need an attorney. So you're covered with no deductible for criminal prosecution. Okay? So go tell the DA, talk to CCW Safe, my legal team. All costs are covered for self-defense and use of force. All cost. What if you have the family members who want to sue you civilly? All costs associated are covered. And we've increased our benefits on all of this, so there's no deductibles or anything like that. Administration. That could be really pricey. All costs, no caps, no deductibles. And here's the cost. It's inexpensive at the timing of this video. At the timing of this video, it's $129 for a single person per year. And then you get your card, and you just keep it next to your concealed weapons license, your firearms permit, and hope you never need it. But if you do, don't say much to police, if anything, except I'm willing to oblige with your investigation officer, but here is my attorney, and please speak to them. We immediately fly someone in and get you the legal team you need. We're national. CCW Safe is huge, and they are respected as the best when you look at the comparison chart below. $129, that gives you $250,000 bond. If you want to upgrade it, you can do so, and the price is there, to $1 million bond. If you're military law enforcement, it's only $99. We respect you guys, okay? And if you want to upgrade the bond from $250,000 to $1 million, the price is there below. If you got a spouse, husband, wife, okay, you guys want to do it together, it's even less money, and it's $199 for the couple. So it's $100 a year each, a $250,000 bond, and if you want to bump it up, the price is below to a higher bond, you know, to get you out of jail. So I'm passionate about this because I can't obviously get into details of past cases, but it is so important that you have this. With the changes we have in America going on right now, with the laws getting so strict, if you shoot someone, and I see this in my private messages I get, in my emails I get from my channel. Believe me, with 20+ million views on a channel, you get millions of emails over the years. And I hear horror stories of people who say, I was protecting a baby in one instance. This was last week. And I'm in jail. You know, he's typing me from jail from the 15 minutes a week he gets free time, asking me for advice. I'm like, well, why don't you get CCW Safe? And other people throughout the years, and about once a month or twice a month, I get emails from people saying, what do? I shot someone. You know, I did everything normal, but now I'm in jail. You gotta have a legal team or deep pockets. You know, at least 100 grand liquid cash put aside, at least, ready to go to tell the law enforcement officer, here's my attorney, and then you just give your attorney 100 grand. And then you need bond money. That's a whole separate issue. If there's a big bond, you need a lot of money. So the simple way to do it is to get a contract with CCW Safe, and you're done. It's a comforting feeling. There's family memberships available now, and there's all these different memberships I'll do separate videos on. And you have to think about these things. You know, it's one thing to shoot someone self-defense and you can say, oh, okay, cool, at least I'm still alive. Great, you are, true. But now you gotta pay, what are you gonna mortgage your home? You're gonna sell your home? Well, what are you gonna do? How are you gonna pay for it realistically? You have to pay. It's part of carrying a gun. It's just part of it. The $130 a year. Do the comparison, look at the chart. My link is below to sign up. Okay? Please sign up with my link below, and I'm doing this to protect you. Remember, in order for you to be covered, you have to have a license. You also have to be in a state where your license is recognized as legal for you to carry in that state. So also look at anything else I might have missed. If you have questions, it's all on their website, but there's really not too many loopholes. If any, there's no loopholes. You shoot someone in self-defense, you're legally carrying, you're in a state, you're legally carrying, you call CCW Safe. There you go. Please, for your own sake, I hate to see people's lives ruined, their families ruined, even though they did the right thing and they protected their life and they used their gun in self-defense. We want to get you out of jail fast, and we want to protect you. That's our goal. That's what we do at CCW Safe. And this is what, my 5th year or so with them? So I try to once a year to bring you up to date on what's going on. We've increased our benefits, and we've enhanced the website, and the link is below to the website, and the link is below to the comparison chart of all the competition who does this. Anything is better than nothing, but CCW Safe is the best. My name is Tom, the host of Weapons Education. Please pass this video to everyone that you know who carries a gun for self-defense. And subscribe to the channel. Thumb it up, and may God bless all of us in the turmoil that America's going through right now. Take care. Thank you.